The diminutive Hyundai Venue 2022 might look like it would fit a piggy bank, but it definitely won't break the bank. That's because the Hyundai Venue 2022 is one of the cheapest crossovers sold in America. Don't confuse its bargain pricing for a lack of desirable features or a cut-rate interior. On the contrary, every Hyundai Venue 2022 has a host of standard driver assists and a robust infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The subcompact Uda is funky and small on the outside, but inside its spaciousness is as surprising as its quality furnishings. While it's not available with all-wheel drive and its engine labors on the highway, it's perfectly suited for the speed limits and tight spaces that define urban areas. Kept in its natural habitat, the Hyundai Venue 2022 is a compelling and low-cost crossover that's really more of a high-riding hatchback. The Venue lineup doesn't undergo any significant changes for the 2022 model year. However, Hyundai makes the decision to rename the top-tier denim trim. While there was something charming about the funky fabric moniker, the switch to the limited model name better aligns with the marketing hierarchy on the brand's other products. We think the top-of-the-line limited trim is the one to get. Not only does it have all the content that comes on the other two models, it also has distinct exterior and interior treatments. The former includes 17-inch wheels, a white painted roof, and an exclusive denim paint job. Also, the only color available. The latter consists of leatherette upholstery with a unique denim combination. The only options are an assortment of dealer-installed accessories. Every Hyundai Venue 2022 is powered by a 121 horsepower, 4-cylinder engine, which delivers sufficient motivation around town, but has a complete lack of passing power on the highway. A continuously variable automatic transmission, or CVT, is the only gearbox. Shoppers who want all-wheel drive will be disappointed, because all models are front drive only. We recently drove a Hyundai Venue 2022 around Miami and learned that the subcompact SUV is agile in traffic thanks to its small proportions and reactive steering. Unfortunately, that steering was touchy on the highway, and our SAL model often required our attention to stay steady in our lane and highway speeds. The Hyundai Venue 2022 is estimated to earn 29 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. Those numbers are slightly worse than those of the Nissan Kicks, which has estimates of 31 miles per gallon city and 36 miles per gallon highway. The Hyundai Venue 2022 that we tested on our 75 miles per hour highway route, which is part of our extensive testing regimen, saw 31 miles per gallon, which is 2 miles per gallon short of its EPA highway rating. Despite its small dimensions, the Hyundai Venue 2022 has a roomy cabin for its size. Both the front and rear seats have ample passenger space, and the cushions in both rows are comfortable. The design isn't particularly flashy, but the interior is well assembled and bolstered by sturdy switchgear and an attractive gauge cluster and infotainment system. Every Hyundai Venue 2022 comes with a user-friendly 8.0-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability. Hyundai outfits every model with standard driver assistance technology. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert become standard, starting on the mid-level SAL. Hyundai and its corporate counterpart, Kia, provide the best powertrain warranty on the market, as well as one of the best limited warranty plans too.